Welcome. It's time to take a moment for yourself. Let's gently bring awareness to your breath. Please find a comfortable seated or kneeling position. And if you like, gently close your eyes. Sit up nice and tall with your spine straight. Today, we will practice the victorious breath, Ujjayi, also known as ocean breathing. This breath can help calm the mind and support both pranayama and physical practices like yoga. Now bring one hand in front of your face and imagine it is a mirror. Take a moment to look into the mirror and first simply notice how beautiful you look today. If it feels right, offer yourself a kind, gentle smile. Now let's begin. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, as if you were fogging the mirror in front of you. Can you hear the sound you just created? That soft, ocean-like sound? Let's try this again. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, fogging the mirror. In through the nose and out through the mouth, fogging the mirror. Wonderful. Now I'd like you to create the same sound, but this time with the mouth closed. Take a deep breath in through the nose and breathe out through the nose, creating the ocean-like sound. One more time. In and out through the nose, creating the sound. Beautiful. Notice how the sound is created by a gentle constriction in the throat. There is no force, only softness. Now let's deepen the practice. Simply follow my voice. Gently constrict the throat as you exhale through the nose, allowing the ocean-like sound to be easily audible. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out, letting everything go. Inhale through the nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Out 4, 3, 2, 1. The sound of Ujjayi. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound of Ujjayi. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. In 1, 2, 3, 4. And out 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Once more. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Now return to your recovery breath. Let the breath flow naturally. Notice how the sound of Ujjayi becomes easier and more natural with repetition. Now let's explore regulating the volume of the sound. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth, letting it all go. Inhale through the nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Letting Ujjayi's sound be barely audible. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Now allow the sound to become a little louder. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let the sound become even louder. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. So loud that someone at the end of the room could hear you. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Now soften the sound again. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. so that only the person next to you could hear it. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Now even quieter. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Only you can hear it. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Once more. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Letting the sound gently fade away. Take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through the mouth. Let it all go. Return to your natural breath. Enjoy the after effects of this practice. Observe your body. Observe your breath. Observe your mind. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go. Stay here for as long as you like. Thank you for joining this practice. You are welcome to return to it whenever you feel the need. May you carry this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.